In operant conditioning, learning can be partially explained in terms of the three-term contingency concept developed by B.F. Skinner. The three-term contingency consists of the antecedent stimulus, which prompts the behavior itself and is followed by the consequent stimulus event. Using this knowledge of the three-term contingency, Skinner created what he called a teaching machine. A teaching machine is a small box in which students are prompted with a question on a slide. They are then asked to write their response on a small text box, and then turn the knob to reveal the correct answer on a small slide. This gives the student immediate feedback on their answer to the question, which allows them to quickly learn to be right. They don't have to wait any extended amount of time to receive their results from the teacher. It also increases motivation as students become excited to learn the correct answer in such a short span. The teaching machine also allows the student to move at their own pace. They do not have to wait for anyone else to move through the material. Finally, the teaching machine allows for large amounts of material to be covered more quickly due to the material being broken up into small bits of information in question form. The concept of the three-term contingency and the model of the teaching machine can be applied to an online accounting class homework program called LearnSmart. I use LearnSmart as an aid to the text I have to read in my accounting class textbook. LearnSmart asks me quiz questions about the material in the book that I read. As you can see, the quizzes are taken for each chapter completed. This is in alignment with the idea of the teaching machine and that large chunks of material such as an accounting textbook chapter can be divided into smaller, more manageable chunks via the use of multiple questions. Each chapter quiz usually consists of about 40 or so questions. When I begin the quiz, I am first prompted with a question. This acts as the antecedent stimulus. Then I type in my response to the question in a text box, which acts as the behavior within the three-term contingency. Finally, once I type in my response, I click a button, which then prompts the correct answer to the question. This acts as the consequent stimulus event. This is the same type of immediate feedback seen in Skinner's teaching machine. I am also able to move at my own pace as I can answer each question and move on to the next without having to wait for anything. So as you can see, the LearnSmart program acts as a type of modern-day teaching machine. The same concepts and ideas developed by Skinner are at play, the only difference being that they are utilized through an online medium as opposed to a physical teaching machine. LearnSmart and many other online programs like it owe a lot of their success to B.F. Skinner and behavioral psychology.